guys. Social media influencer and former Miss Rwanda. Though I believe once one wears a crown, they stay with the crown. Like, you're Miss Rwanda, and Jolly's Miss Rwanda too, so, yeah. It doesn't go away. It's not former. I feel like former is like deleting, the journey you guys went to. So Miss Rwanda 2020. In More Than a Crown, you share deeply personal experiences, some of them really profoundly painful. Which chapter was the hardest for you to write, and why?
Hello, oh wow. The idea of this whole launch was not for us to cry. So if you see us crying, it's just like joyful tears. So don't worry.
What do you want people what's the message you're giving to people? And most of the times, people tell me, oh, did you write it only for young girls, women? No, More Than a Crown is for everyone. It's for everyone, and I wrote it to inspire each and everyone in this room who feel unseen, misunderstood by society. And I just hope when you read this book, you just get something out of it, Because I always believe that our purpose is better than the crown that people really label us with. So going back to my speech. Are we having fun? Yes. Okay. So tonight we're not just launching a book, we're celebrating a journey of a girl who grew up with big dreams, a girl who faced pressure, expectations, mistakes, heartbreaks, faith battles, and somehow found her voice again.